Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV. Today is Monday, so it's Fast Fix Monday here at the show, where we go through a particular topic relatively quickly, and today is no exception to that. Jeremy, say hello to everyone as you're having a sip of water.
Hi, July, Craig. Hi everyone, hope you're having a great Monday.
Absolutely. So today we're talking about, we're still talking about investing in property, and a particular term that comes up quite a lot when you're doing a property transaction is time is of the essence. So I just wanted to touch on that, explain sort of what that's about, and then where it might vary and where you need to be careful about the actual term. So it's something that's thrown around quite a lot. It's a phrase in a contract that means that performance by one party at or within the period specified in the contract is necessary to enable that party to require performance by the other party. And so it's strict time frames. Failure to act within the time required constitutes a breach of the particular contract. So you'll see it in correspondence going between lawyers. And it'll say that it's time of the essence if there's a change, or it'll be time of the essence in the contract generally about particular timeframes. If you don't meet those, then it's a strict time frame, and that is a breach of the contract. So, Jeremy, that's basically what it's about. But where does it vary, and what else did you want to say about time is of the essence?
Thanks, Craig. I think the most important thing to say at the outset is that not every single contract has time is of the essence. We're based in Brisbane in Queensland, and our contracts almost always have time is of the essence. But in places like England and the UK, other places in the UK, New South Wales, their contracts don't necessarily have time is of the essence. So just be careful of that. It actually needs to be a clause that's written into your contract to make sure that it actually is applicable to your contract. So that's, I think that's a really important point just to get across people as we're getting more and more people who are watching this internationally. Check out what your contract actually says. How does it vary? So when you have a contract that has time is of the essence, and the classic example that we use is a contract for the purchase of land in Queensland, it'll have certain obligations. Say that you might get finance approval by a certain date. Yeah, we're doing this recording on the 25th of February 2019, and you might have a contract that says that getting finance approval for the buyer is due by the 25th of February 2019. If the buyer doesn't notify by that time, then basically that time no longer applies under the contract, and the contract's still subject to the finance clause, depending on the wording of the contract. But let's just say, for the purposes of this discussion, that it is. It just means that the time is no longer to be bound, and that they have to respond. So it's a really complicated area of law. I'm not going to go through every single scenario. We'd be here for about a 4-hour show if we did that. But just know that it can vary. That if you don't perform an obligation by the specified date, then it is likely that time will no longer be of the essence in relation to that part of the contract and all parts of the contract. So just be really wary of it. Make sure that it actually does apply, and then you won't really fall afoul of time is of the essence. Craig, is there anything else you wanted to add on that before we finish up?
No, I don't think so. That's a good summary of time of the essence. I think, as you said, important to know about and be wary of where it applies and where it doesn't. So that's it for us today for Fast Fix Monday. If you've got any questions or want to check out the notes for today's show, it was show, what are we up to now, Jeremy?
It is
178. Yep, so show 178. The notes will be on the website. If you have any questions about it or want to share anything about the topic we've spoken about today, please get in touch via the various platforms. We look forward to joining you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.